What's up, everybody? So it's crazy because I was not planning to go fishing today, but two of my homies hit me up and they want to fish. So I'm like, you know what? It's gonna rain later and probably tomorrow. So just to make sure I don't miss out at least a day of fishing and just to make some content, I'm just gonna go fish. I didn't even charge my GoPro, so I'm just going with just gonna film with my phone and let's see how it goes. Let's see if we catch any fish. Probably make it to a competition. So I'll see you guys in a few. Odd man.
Little rod, big
shit,
fish.
Oh, what the hell? I'll be catching. Oh, what is this? Oh, I think it's bluefish.
Oh, snapper? Oh, you could eat that.
I don't know. It's a perch.
Oh, okay, nice.
Oh, that's not.
What do we got,
That's
folks?
a drum. I caught a drum. Dude, the water's getting clean, bro. Look, this is a drum. This is only it's an Atlantic drum. You only see them in the beaches and stuff like that. This is actually a rare species here. Actually, they're not supposed to be here.
Yeah, have you ever caught that here?
No, never.
Never, folks.
This actually, like, one of my friends actually caught one recently. And honestly, this is a good thing. The water's getting clean in the Hudson.
Wow, YouTube, you heard it here first. Or Instagram. A drum.
And then
Over at Inwood Park. I mean, so-and-so Park.
it's sad because